Hi, welcome back. Today I'm unboxing the Tamiya 1/35 light armoured Recon vehicle. It technically has a very long German name, and to be honest I can't pronounce it properly, so I'll stick with the English version, light armoured Recon vehicle, just to keep things simple. It says it includes some photo etched parts and aluminium gun barrel, so it doesn't look too bad. The kit contains jerry cans and rum cans. Seems like you can do it in different versions, so I don't know if it comes complete with all that, but I will see when I've opened the box. It looks a typical Tamiya one with the instructions and also the painting guide. Oh yeah, the photo etched parts, the aluminium gun barrel, don't look too bad. I find all Tamiya quite easy to assemble, even for beginners. They fit quite well. I know there's a few people that don't like Tamiya, apart from sometimes the price, but because they prefer scratch building, which I find with them you can still add your own detail. Oh yeah, the barrels, jerry cans. Yeah, quite a few parts. It looks like the gun sights already, if they are the gun sights, haven't just got the plastic all over them, because normally I drill them out. That doesn't look too bad. Typical wheels, which probably need a bit of a clean up. And the body should fit together quite well. The decals, again you get different ones, I suppose, which version you're doing of where they were. This is just showing you the PE parts, the photo etched parts, the meshed cover, which you use the CA glue or super glue to glue the mesh. I've just checked, the XF63 is German grey and the XF60 is dark yellow. I thought it was going to be desert yellow. Comes just with the one figure in the kit, which I find Tamiya are now doing with a lot of their kits, even the older ones. They're just adding some figures to them. There is another version I just noticed you can do. 24th Panzer Division, South Russia, August 1942. And again, that's in German grey. The only difference are the decals you'll put on for the markings. I've just noticed these parts are actually for winding the gun up and down. And the aluminium gun bell's quite nice, because you don't have to drill out a plastic one. That's quite good. Again, they supply a piece of string to run along the front. I always put mine through some beeswax, so it's not really fuzzy. That's showing it just tied along the front. So there it is, the Tamiya 1:35 light armoured Recon vehicle. Again, I won't try to pronounce that German name. Well, thank you for watching and hope to see you again. Thank you.